Thank you for taking the time to watch this installation video from Bestbath Systems. With proper installation, the Bestbath shower will provide years of worry-free enjoyment. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the walls for a 5-piece shower. While the video will walk you step by step through the installation, please reference the instructions that came with the shower for additional details. Before you begin installation, be sure that all required tools and materials are readily available. In addition to the materials that came with the unit, you will also need the tools listed here, and be sure to wear safety goggles. When you installed the pan, the floor was level and the walls were checked for plumb. Now you are ready for the wall installation. Let's get started. The first step to install a Bestbath shower wall system is to set the lower back wall in place, with the indexing tab setting into the indexing pockets. Move the lower back wall piece to the left or right to align the sides of the wall with the sides of the pan and ensure the wall piece is centered. Place one screw through the flange into the centermost stud only. Do not screw the wall piece into all the studs. All Bestbath shower walls install quickly and easily with our exclusive snap joint technology. In this video, we are installing Designer Series shower walls with tile inlay. If you are installing walls from our Designer Series, we recommend installing the tile prior to assembling the shower. Please reference our tile installation video for simple instructions on how to install tile. The alignment pins on the top edge of the lower back wall provide stability and ensure proper alignment of the top back wall. Simply lower the top back wall piece into place. The pins will hold it in place while you secure the top wall. Screw the top wall piece into the centermost stud only at this time. Next, slide the side wall without the valve into place. You'll need to give it a firm, quick push and will hear a loud snap when the snap joints engage. Screw the flange to the stud near the bottom of the wall piece close to the shower pan. You will come back later and place additional screws in the flange. Before we can install the second shower wall, we'll need to cut a hole for the valve. We have some pointers on how to measure for proper placement. First, you'll want to measure from the face of the back wall to the center of the valve, and note your measurement. Then measure from the top of the pan to the center of the valve, and make note of that measurement as well. Now transfer those measurements to the shower wall. You'll need to measure up from the bottom of the shower wall and place a mark. Now measure from the face of the radius into the center and mark for proper valve placement. You might want to measure twice just to be sure. After you've cut the plumbing valve hole, slide the second sidewall into place. When you hear the snap joints engage, the wall is secure. We are very close to completing the installation. Now, it's important to finish attaching both sidewall flanges by placing screws approximately every 8 inches into the studs. Finish attaching the top flange of the side and back walls with screws at each stud. Once that is complete, use the suction cup provided by Bestbath to ensure the walls are fully engaged. Simply apply the suction cup as close to the edge of the back wall as possible and pull. Do this in the center and then near the top and bottom on both sides of the back. If the walls did not fully engage during initial installation, they will now, and you will hear them snap into place. Finally, caulk all the joints in the shower with the caulk provided in your installation packet. This caulk is specially formulated to match your Bestbath shower. When caulking the shower, it is extremely important to not caulk over the weep hole. If you caulk over the weep hole, moisture that might accumulate behind the shower walls will have no way to get out. If you are installing the shower trim kit, you may choose to caulk after it is installed. The next video in our installation series shows you how to install the trim kit. If you have any questions, be sure to watch that next. That's all it takes to install Bestbath shower walls. Following these simple steps helps ensure years of worry-free use. Thank you again for watching this Bestbath installation video. We hope you found the instructions simple and easy to understand. For additional assistance, please reference the additional videos in this series, as well as the written instructions that came with the shower.